All right, guys, super cold temperatures today. We are at home today. It's President's Day, day after Valentine's, where we were busy at the restaurant. So we've been kind of hanging around. And on Facebook, they're calling for rolling blackouts for the electricity in our area. And so I've been out here getting things prepped up so I can do some wood splitting, take it upstairs. We've got a small fireplace. Just wanted to share this with you. And it's bitter cold out, but we're going to start a little fire just in case our power does go out and keep things warm in the house as we experience those. Hopefully not a big deal or last for very long, but we're going to utilize the fireplace that we have. So I thought you'd enjoy seeing the snow flying around out here, and it's so dry and powdery you can just blow it around with the leaf blower. So anyway, I hope you're staying warm where you're at. Thanks for watching. Sit by that fire. That fire right there.
Oh yeah, it has to be all the way. I need to make me close. Not too close. Don't make me too close to the fire.
You're not close at all. Who's that? Who's back there? Who's out right there?
Eliza.
Look, watch. I'm squishing your head. I'm squishing your head. I'm squishing your head. More fire going.
Hi! Daddy and me and Eliza and Dad is we're building a fire. And we're watching TV. And we're in our living room because it's right now. It's up to the chimney.
It's going up to the chimney?
Mm-hmm. What is it? I love making fire with you.
Too big. I think you're way too big. It's gonna squish you up. What?
It's fun.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I thought you was gonna be too big. I guess I was wrong. Okay. What do you say? You like it? Woo! I can carry you around. I can carry you to work. It'd be hard to drive though. So put the seat back. Maybe you can steer. Dad can take a nap. What do you say?
Oh, I could steer.
So you can steer?
Let's see, Keith. Let's see that bye. I'm going to go to the TV now.
No, no one wants to see TV. Hey, what I say?
Can I try to do that? Make her laugh. Like, you know how to laugh.
Okay, good.
Okay, but the camera has to be on the... Oh, okay,
Do
let's
it
see.
again.
Let's see.
don't think so.
And we're going everywhere. And we're playing the TV. And we are doing contents. We're building a content. And we're building a baby robot. And we're growing in our garden. Peaches. And we're growing. But